Have you ever wondered how an acrylic logo is installed seamlessly inside your office? Take a look at this logo, for example. You won't see a single nail or wire hanging out. The entire job is done with concealed fitting. Sign makers use a simple trick to achieve this. Welcome to a behind the scenes look in a printing and signages shop, where we show you how a logo is manufactured, and we also explain how the same gets installed in your premises. Step 1 obviously is to create the design for the logo, where you not only determine the shape and the layout of the logo, but also its dimensions. In a sign shop like ours, we also tell the client what to expect in terms of materials. For example, this Cafe Royale logo is roughly 3.5 feet wide, and it's going to be fabricated out of two materials. One, the base layer made out of black acrylic, and two, the layer on top made out of a shiny mirror-like acrylic sheet. And once the logo design is finalized, we head over to the laser cutting machine. This is Harshad, and he operates our laser cutting machine. And if you look closely, you will see that we've put a mirror acrylic sheet inside the laser cutting machine. Harshad takes our logo design file and he fires it on the software of the laser cutting machine. Our logo file is now loaded onto the laser machine. Next, we simply fire the job on the machine, and the laser starts cutting the logo in the design and shape that we have defined. Our laser cut logo is now ready, and for the purposes of this video, Harshad has chosen different materials to fabricate the logo. For example, he's used a matte gold sheet in this part. The top of the logo is made out of a rose gold mirror acrylic sheet, and the central area he's used matte finished silver acrylic. He's also put in a little bit of shiny silver acrylic on the edges, on the contour of the logo. This is a mishmash of materials. Ordinarily, you would use just one material to create the entire logo, but this is just for you to give an idea that you can play with a variety of colors and materials. This is what our logo looks like. But remember, I told you that we need to have this logo installed seamlessly without any nails showing through. We want concealed fitting, and it has to go flush on the wall. And to make this happen, let me show you what we've done on the reverse side of this logo. Yep, you guessed it right. We have put multiple magnets on the back side of this logo, and each magnetic clip holds two extremely strong magnets, and we've placed all these clips at strategic locations to distribute the weight of the entire signage. The metal part of those magnetic clips are fixed on the wall, and you take the logo and you simply place it like this to get this absolutely stunning look. An acrylic logo can skyrocket the look of your office interiors, but they don't really cost much. For example, our Cafe Royale logo, which is roughly 3 feet wide by 2 feet high, costs around 6,000 rupees plus taxes. And for more such behind the scenes videos about how signages are manufactured, please follow us here at orchiddigitals.com.
This is Harshad.
Harshad, ह्या लेन्सच्या आत बघ.
तू आपला असं नको आणि हसरा जरा बाई तो पिटो वासास.
A few moments later.
This is Harshad.